Hello students. Now we will go through the next types of the chapter, remainder factor theorem. So first, let's revise the objectives of the topic. Students, so far we have revised first 5 objectives. Today we will revise next objectives. Objective number 6 is to find the value of two unknown variables when two factors are given to us. Objective number 7 is to find two variables when one factor is given and other leaves the remainder. So what does it mean? It means that when factor is given, in that case remainder will be equals to 0. And when it leaves the remainder, what does it mean? It means that remainder not equals to 0. So my dear students, before going to start with the next type, I want to discuss one method with you, that is elimination method. This method you have already done in your previous class. So here I have taken statement as 3x plus 4y equals to 10. This is your equation number 1. Next equation is 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. This is your equation number 2. Now students, how we will solve this? Step number 1 is we will multiply this first equation with this coefficient, that is 2, and we will multiply this second equation by this coefficient, that is 3. So after multiplying, what we have got? We will get 6x plus 8y is equals to 20. And in second equation we will get 6x minus 6y is equals to 6. Now we have to eliminate this x. So here we will do elimination by subtraction. For that we will do one step, that is sign lock and change. After sign change, these 6x and 6x will cut. And here we will get 14y is equals to 14. So therefore what will be the value of y? That is 1. Now after finding value of y, I have to find value of x. For this we will put y equals to 1 in our equation number 1 here. So after putting y equals to 1, I have got 3x plus 4 into 1 is equals to 10. So after shifting this 4 to this side, I have got 3x is equals to 6. Now this 3 will be divided by with this 6. So therefore what will be the value of x? 6 upon 3 after cutting. I have got value of x as 2. So therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to 1. This is the answer. Now we will use that elimination method in our type number 6. That is to find the value of two variables when two factors are given. Now statement is if x plus 1 and x minus 2 are both the factors of x cube plus ax square minus bx minus 6, then find the values of a and b. Now students, what is given in the statement? It is given that x plus 1 and x minus 2 both are the factors. What does it mean? It means that there are two cases, that is case of x plus 1 and case of x minus 2. In both the cases remainder will be 0. Also what we have to find? We have to find values of a and b. As you know, if we have to find the value of two variables, we find that values by using elimination method. Now start with the sum by using those 3 steps. Step number 1, let fx is equals to this polynomial, number it as 1. Step number 2, put this first x plus 1 is equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. Step number 3, remainder is equals to f of minus 1. Now put x equals to minus 1 in equation number 1. Now f of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 cube plus a minus 1 square minus b into minus 1 minus 6. Now as it is given that x plus 1 is the factor, so what will be the value of remainder? Remainder will be 0. Now under f of minus 1 we will write 0. After solving, this 7 will go to this side. This will become plus 7. Equation will be 7 is equals to a plus b. This is the equation number 2. Now students, as it is given that x minus 2 is also the factor, so we will do these similar steps for x minus 2. x minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to 2. Step 3, remainder for this 2 is equals to f of 2. Now we have to put x equals to 2 in our equation number first only. So put there f of 2 is equals to 2 cube plus a 2 square minus b into 2 minus 6. Here also remainder will be 0 because this is also the factor. So under f2 we will write 0. Start solving. After solving, we have got the equation as minus 2 is equals to 4a minus 2b. Now student, see, in this equation, all the coefficients were different. This is 1, this is 1, this is 7. But in this case, all coefficients are divisible by 2. Here also they are different, but they are divisible by 2. So, we will divide both sides of the equation by 2. This will make our equation shorten. Now, after dividing upon 2, upon 2, upon 2, and after cutting, what I will get? Minus 1, this one, 2, this one, plus 1. So, right here, minus 1 is equals to 2a minus b. This is the next equation, that is equation number 4. Now, solve this equation number 2 and equation number 4 by using elimination method. Now, students, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. After solving these both equations by elimination method, we get a equals to 2. Now, put a equals to 2 in equation number 2. This one. We get 2 plus b equals to 7. Now, this 2 will go to this side, right side. It will give me 7 minus 2. Therefore, b equals to 5. So, now we have got the answer as a equals to 2 and b equals to 5. This is the answer of the statement. Now, let's start with type number 7. That is to find two variables when one factor is given. Statement is, if x minus 2 is a factor of x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6 and leaves remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3, then find the values of a and b. Now students, see the statement carefully. It is given that x minus 2 is a factor because we are doing that type in which only one factor will be given. It is x minus 2 and other will not be the factor, as it is given that it leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. Now we have to find values of a and b by using those 3 steps. Now step number 1 is, let fx is equals to this bigger polynomial, number it as 1. Step number 2, put this x minus 2 equals to 0. From here we have got x equals to 2. Now step number 3, remainder equals to f2. Now students, it is given in statement that x minus 2 is a factor. So if it is a factor, therefore what will be the value of remainder? Remainder will be equals to 0. So here under remainder we will write 0. So after solving, we have got equation as minus 14 equals to 4a plus 2b. Now as we can see that these 3 coefficients are divisible by 2. So here we will divide these by 2 and do the cutting. What we have got? This one. Upon 2 it will give me minus 7. So equation will be minus 7 is equals to 2a plus b. This will be your equation number 2. Now come to the other side, that is case 2. It is given in the statement that it leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. So now we will do the sum for x minus 3. Do the steps, put x minus 3 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 3. Now remainder equals to f3. Now it is given that remainder is 3. So under f3 we can't write 0. We will write 3 only. So now expand and after collect like terms, we have got equation as minus 30 equals to 9a plus 3b. Now we can see that these 3 coefficients are divisible by 3. So after dividing by 3 upon 3, we will get minus 10, 3 and 1 here. So this is the equation number 3, that is minus 10 is equals to 3a plus b. Now we will solve these both equations by using elimination method. Now this is the equation number 2, this is the equation number 3. So as we can see that here b sign is same, so we have to do sign, lock and change. After changing the sign, this B and B will cut. This will give me minus A equals to 3. So therefore A equals to minus 3. Now we will put A equals to minus 3 in equation number 2. We get minus 6 plus B equals to minus 7, which will give me value of B as minus 1. So what is the value of A? That is minus 3. What is the value of B? That is minus 1. This is the answer. So students, I hope that this discussion will help you to have better knowledge of the chapter. Thank you.